Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos. Continuously learn English by listening the story with entertainment. Boost your English knowledge by listening stories. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
The story about the lazy donkey.
Max, owner of a donkey called Bella. Max is a very tolerant and kind master. The donkey is lazy and is always finding ways to avoid work. Once while returning, with loads of salt on his back, Bella falls in the river. He realizes that the fall has lessened the weights of the sacks, as the salt has dissolved in the water. The next few days, Bella purposely falls into the water every day. Max is unhappy at the way Bella is behaving, because he is losing money in the process. He decides to teach Bella a lesson. The next day, instead of salt bags, he loads Bella with bags of cottons. Bella is unaware of the change. As planned, he falls into the water and gets the bags wet. He is surprised to find the load unbearable. His otherwise master also starts beating him. Bella learns his lesson and starts behaving.
Moral: work with honesty and sincerity, because laziness will ruin you. The story is over.
Hello, friends. Learn English by simply listening the stories. It will be entertained and also useful to learning English by listening. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.